What you doing, Kingston? Rocking the floor? Huh? What you doing? Okay. No, don't go out the door. Stay in here and back. Come on.